Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, teacher.
I hope all of you are fine.
Yes.
Today we are gathered here to perform an activity on pronouns with helping verbs. Pronouns are special words we use instead of names. They help us talk about people, places and things without repeating names like he, she, it, they, you, we. And helping verbs are small words that help us make sentences. The main ones are is, am and are. So are you guys excited for this fun activity?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
He is. She is. I am. You are. We are. They are. He is. She is. I am. You are. He are. They are.
Good job, Shining Stars. Now you can make your own sentences. So keep jumping and learning. See you in the next time. Bye bye.